2, 1. Take camera 3. Unmute mics. Cue talent.
Howdy, I'm Liam from Leonardtown High School, and I am in the Year 2 class of Digital Media Production in the James A. Forrest Curran Technology Center.
Hello, I'm Robert William Abel. I am a senior at Leonardtown High School, and I am a Year 2 in Digital Media Production.
I'm Kennedy Dixon, and I'm in Digital Media Year 2.
So some things that are taught in this class is during Year 1 you will learn a lot about the history of television and radio, but we also learn about like how to create a story, camera techniques, and like screen or script writing. It has given me so much knowledge on how to actually like work on a film set, and this class also has shoot credits where we can go into an actual like shoot like workspace to know what it's actually like out there when you're recording, when you're working for a client. I've learned a lot about team collaboration and public interaction with this class. I've also learned how to actually use a lot of editing software that is used in the television industry.
If I could describe this class in one word, I would describe this class as fun and creative.
I would definitely recommend this class because it teaches you a lot of things that can be handy in the outside world.
I would recommend this class to someone, especially people who are more creative focused, because it truly does let you get as creative as you want.
I do recommend this class if you just want to have fun and want to express your creativity. This would be a fun class to join.